All right, so we're going to look a little bit further into our equation, that first equation here. Which properties can help us justify the steps above? How do we get to our solutions? All right, so when I looked at trying to find 8 hours to be that solution, I know the one thing that I'm trying to find is h. I'm trying to figure out which value makes that statement true. So I want to get everything away from h. And so what you did, the first thing that I did is that I got to work in my reverse order of operations and use inverse operation. What that means, if I'm subtracting 715, I'm going to add the opposite of subtracting would be adding. So I'm adding $7.15. And what happens to this side is it's gone. It gets zero. But anytime I have an equation, I think about this equal sign as being a balance point. So what I do to one side, I have to do to the other to stay balanced. So when I add $7.15 to both sides, I get $90 or $97.60. So what you did, we added 715. What property is that? That is the addition, because we added property of equality. Because if I add to one side, I have to add to the other. Right? So now I almost have h by itself, but h is getting multiplied. So to get rid of multiplication, the inverse would be division. I'm going to divide h by $12.20. So what am I going to do? I'm going to divide by $12.20, which is the division property of equality. Because what I do to one side, remember our balance point, I have to do to the other. This is multiplication inverse. Because remember, the inverse of multiplication is division. Multiplication inverse. Property of equality. Right, so if I divide both sides by $12.20, I should get 8 hours of work.